This is my pegboard. But currently it's just a 2000 rupees piece of wood pretending to be useful. Let's fix that, shall we? First up, I measured all the holes and averaged out the size. Then I started working on a headphone holders to hold my headphones. And I've totally tested this to make sure that the headphone won't fall. Now, it would only make sense if I had my earphones here as well. So I had an earphone holder printed and I put a little bit of foam inside to make sure I don't have a scratchy headphone case.
I found you at the window, looking out, watching.
Then I printed this catch-all tray which I could use to store all my miscellaneous items.
Something like a dream.
For example, when I dismantle something, I need a place to store the screws.
Talk to you. Time moves slow when you're all alone. Time moves slow.
Then I needed a place to store my caliper box because my drawer was full. So I just printed these two hooks and my caliper box should just fit right in on here.
And the time moves slow when you get.
But the board was looking a little bland, so I decided to fix that.
Running away is easy. It's the leaving that's hard. Running away is easy. Running away is easy. It's the living that's hard. And loving you was easy. It was you leaving that's hard.
Now, most of the tools I use have holes in them. So instead of making holders for them, I just decided to make a lot of similarly sized hooks and then I just used them universally.